The 3 supplements you need to take for clearer thinking. Do you ever wake up and suddenly feel like you're missing important information? You feel like you should be able to remember something that happened yesterday, but the details are all muddled up in your head. This phenomenon is called brain fog, and it occurs when there's too much junk in your system. But with the right supplements, you can clear that junk out of your head and start thinking clearly again. Here are 3 supplements that can help with brain fog symptoms. Take these regularly and see if you notice an improvement. 1. Fish oil. Fish oil can help reduce inflammation, which has been linked to brain fog. Many researchers believe that elevated inflammation is one of the biggest triggers of symptoms like brain fog and memory loss. Therefore, taking fish oil can have a powerful effect on your mental clarity as well as your overall health. 2. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is required in order for our bodies to make serotonin, which promotes better sleep and helps improve concentration. People with vitamin D deficiencies are more likely to have trouble thinking clearly. A study from Oxford University found that people with vitamin D deficiencies were less able to think clearly and exhibited more confusion than those who had adequate levels of vitamin D. This could be because low levels of vitamin D cause feelings of depression, which can lead to brain fog. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric can make all of your body feel better, which is one reason why it's such a popular ingredient in India. In addition to adding a splash of color and great flavor to any dish, turmeric has been shown by numerous studies that it can also improve brain health. Most notably, turmeric can help decrease brain fog with consistent use. Hope this video on brain fog health can help you on your way to clearer thinking every day.